In this example, we're asked to solve for the unknown in each of the diagrams. And so the challenge here is just going to be to essentially be able to identify which trig function to use. So in the first example, we are asked to solve for the angle here. And the sides that we're given are the opposite side length and the length of the hypotenuse. And so the sine function is the ratio of the opposite to hypotenuse. So I want to be using sine here. So I'm going to say that sine of theta is equal to the opposite side length divided by the length of the hypotenuse. Now to find the angle, I need to use the inverse function. So I'm going to use the inverse sine of the angle of the ratio, And I'm going to type that into my calculator, and if you're in degree mode, we should end up with about 39.5 degrees. In example B, we're given an angle, we're given its adjacent side length, and we're asked to solve for the length of the hypotenuse. So SOHCAHTOA should be going on in the back of our minds here. Adjacent and hypotenuse is cosine. So cosine of 28 degrees should equal the length of the adjacent side divided by the length of the hypotenuse. And we're going to go ahead and rearrange this equation to solve for x. And when we type that into our calculator, we should end up with about 26.0, and our units here are inches, the same units that our adjacent side length is given in.